time in this playoff. It is the start of the end. It is the beginning of making the dreams a reality. It is Aiku Revenant X-Spark taking on Autobots.
A revenge matchup for Autobots in terms of draft. R&D's got the better advantage here. But will Autobots deny all the odds and get the first one in their favor? That's the big question. Luckram got too close with Gwen just out some damage. Back off. Really surviving, but still Kram got kiting out Luck. And eventually getting away with it. Love the way how it all started, but the important factor is Harith और वो Claude का जो basic interaction रहेगा वो थोड़ा देखने वाली बात है. And now, one question we have discussed it earlier too. Yesterday, scared Neo mod on that. Look, what about that?
Extra bit of penetration. जो पहले 5% मिलती थी वो इस टाइम पे 10%. Most of the junglers eventually go for that hold on. Oh my god, what a pick of the hybrid. यही प्रायोरिटी मिलती है आपको with the 4Vs in the early game though, क्योंकि hybrid Uranus पे है. He is not as tanky. He is susceptible to the burst. और जोसेफ ने रियलाइज किया because he's playing on the Suyu, level 3 पे ही वो सीधा गैंग करने चले गए थे. He hasn't even taken his purple bump ban. But I like the idea from Autobots. And now since we want to go into the in-phase, they know that Joseph might actually be susceptible to that. There we go, Street Momentum. Hold on, they've stolen that away. That is such a nice trade from Autobots.
Love the way, man. Good adjustment. Eventually cutting down the jungle too. Very important play to you. Here. It'll be an important one though.
Yeah.
Play it out. I love the position of Uranus too. He gave away the information too. RS not still in a position. This will to be a total fight here. Luck and some damage will come. It doesn't matter. Kiryu diving in, but once in that Phobius Luck is a bit of a problem. He might get killed, and that's because Kiryu taking it down instantly. Rorin looks like it's not in the position. And each times in, Joseph still managed to get the total in his favor. And Autobots, they have to go back. This is not a good fight. You pulled the buff, but you lost the grab as well as the total.
Oh, तो भी दिक्कतों में let it be, man. थोड़ी ज़्यादा दिक्कत हो गई तो it's still fine. लक ने अपनी presence से ही तो भी जान बचाई उस टाइम पे. Otherwise, he was getting ganked in a 1v3 position. और इस टाइम पे वो अपनी रेंज छोड़ भी नहीं सकते because you know how important that Trinity is for that man. सबसे major factor उस turtle fight के ऊपर, since we are rewinding on that, ये आया था. It's again, both the teams are respecting the damage of the other side. दोनों के पास वो early snowball potential है with Suyu in the hands of Joseph and Leomord in the hands of Rarin. तो जैसे ही वो 5 मिनट का टाइमर हिट करेगा, अगर उस टाइम तक आपके पास 1000-1500 की गोल्ड लीड है, you can instantly snowball right now, and this is what I was talking about. Luck getting caught out in the open. RNTX eventually want to get that 1k gold lead in their hands, which they just have reached.
This is looking bad. This is certainly looking bad. थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा corner down कर दिया Autobots already, and RNTX being way more comfortable, man. Still defending the T1s, looking solid for now. But the next total fight, 35 seconds बाद अगला total आने वाला है. Love the position how eventually Transport is playing here. In targeting, tanking on Murillo, not in a good position. Hybrid could get away. Kiryu still survives. Murillo की plan बार-बार to take down the Uranus looks solid, by the way.
Exactly. I mean, they're definitely targeting Hybrid on the Uranus, so... अब सबसे मेजर चीज यही आ जाती है कि अगर Uranus का early game स्लो जाता है तो late game तक he doesn't get as tanky as you would expect him to be. And that is what they're targeting. They just want to make sure that you have the early priority, now you just want to capitalize on that. And with the turtle positioning right now, if this goes in the hands of RNTX, Autobots के comeback chances और ज़्यादा कम हो जाएंगे. So there we go, Murillo hopping in with the bong. Colonel Pursuit on top. Ramgod trying to soak up the damage. Shadow energy bombs as far and Phantom Speed used here, but the big problem is I don't think he'll have enough execution line right now. Joseph wants to hop in, now they're creating gap. Oh, a big dark wave. Yes, there is a raging sandstorm, but it doesn't matter. It's a 1-for-1 trade, the Witch instantly picks up that turtle. Retry missed out, the Hybrid needs to run away, flickers out of the harm's way, which doesn't have enough damage to take him out. A 2-for-1 or turtle for RNTX. This sounds like a death sentence.
It certainly is. Toby eventually chimed in with his own blazing duet, but it was a bit too late. At that time, you already lost one of your lads, so unfortunately, it backfired. Joseph already on level 9, going the river. Mark looking very solid, by the way. And I think so top T1 might go down because look at the position of Kramgod, giving information about where Toby and Rarin is. And Jom alongside Mirio, but that Toby is looking solid. Toby not in a good position. They are controlling team and Mirio for a get back to same team. And now lane switches, by the way. Soyu, look at him. Joseph.
Understandable. अब यही मेन चीज रहेगी एक 4-1 रोटेशन के साथ दोनों ही टीम जाना प्रेफर करेंगे बिकॉज यू गॉट द सुयू काफी मोबिलिटी है वो जाके उस पार को बार-बार दैट 5 मिनट टाइमर लुकिंग एट द आइटम्स दो I wanted hybrid to potentially go for the radiant armor. Yes, Oracle के साथ गए हैं but Jom का damage is going to hurt you like a truck. Starlium side का buff already आया था. Now that passive hits you in 1.5 seconds. So that true damage is going to hurt you. The problem is क्योंकि radiant armor नहीं है तो will not be as tanky even against Witch. और क्योंकि लक भी थंडरबेल्ट के साथ गए हैं so you don't have any solid but I like the idea how they're going with all the 4 people up top still oh my god forced down the black shoes onto them और अब problematic position में वो रेटिंग सैंटम यूज जरूर किया Kramgod can instantly burst it down in a second I thought this could be a pick for RNTX but Autobots had just
Finally they managed to at least take down that one player. But up turtle fight and you will be in a decent position. Luck in hybrid position is looking solid once again. You don't have the rating card from it. Could be a bit of problem. You just invested your black right away. Toby against Jom. They're looking solid. Jom in a bit of trouble. Luck taking a lot of damage with Jom. I'm saying, you know what? That ain't enough. Luck will heal himself up instantly. The turtle is still there. This is going to be the third turtle there. Now Kramgod is back in the game. Be a bit of a careful because once again, he's already looking for a fight.
will be tough. That is
scrappy though, very scrappy.
और ये तीसरा टर्टल अभी तक लिया नहीं गया किसी भी टीम के द्वारा. Exactly. That is the big thing. This is doing the turtle dance right. Oh, the flick away of the dragon. Raging Sandstorm आया है, but it doesn't matter. There we go with the blazing duet in the back line. Demon Hunter, Golden Staff. It's enough to burst them down. Rarin secures one. Toby ka double. It doesn't matter where the turtle went. What matters is that Autobot made that comeback.
What a perfect play, man. What a perfect play. Waited it out till the end, waited out the key, and eventually that's gonna be the kill they wanted. The moment Joseph and Kramgod went down, it was just all about Autobots. Recovered and now got the lead in terms of goal 2, 23 and 22. About to lose out the key 1 by that many, but all right, doesn't matter. You eventually control the bot lane 2 in your favor, Rarin. Look at this guy. Have to be a bit careful from this. Kramgod eventually, once again, collecting a lot of information now. After 70 seconds, the Lord will spawn. Autobots somehow managed to bounce back, but they will be careful because once again, that one chance, if you give one chance to the players of Riven and X-Park, they will eventually bounce back.
Here's the main thing, right? Yes, आपने constantly hybrid को sit out करने की try करी थी in the game, but there was this one slight problem with it, and it was the fact कि आपने Toby को unchecked छोड़ दिया पूरा का पूरा, and Luck's positioning was so good in those crucial moments कि वो first turtle के बाद जब top में gank होने वाला था, उस time पे Luck was there just threatening the members of RNTX कि अगर आपने gank की try करी, I will hop in. Regardless of the fact कि वो level 3 थे उस time पे, it was just his presence that mattered. ये rotation points थे जो Autobots के miss हो रहे थे. And now because Joseph targeted hybrid a lot in the early game, Toby went unchecked and now he has farmed up to his 20. It's 9:40 onto the clock and I'm pretty sure since he picked up the golden staff previously, it's really easy for you to lock in the corrosion side considering it's a cheap item and आपका farming speed already exponentially बढ़ जाता है.
Yeah. And once again, Harith wasn't a big problem, right? जब आपके ऊपर eventually परेशान भी करना चाह रहे थे आपको Jom, you were dealing with that pretty beautifully, obviously with the support. So yeah, completely tacked up. Getting the total buff for Joseph. Luck eventually just chiming in, dishing off a bit of damage. The Lord Dance has already been started. Meteor not in a good position though. I would love to see where Rem is going on once again. The Black Shoe will work. Phantom Steed still in the backpack of Rarin. Luck and Hybrid eventually diving in. This is going to be a bit of a problem. You are going for the Lord, and it has been stayed away instantly in favor of Autobots without even going for a fight. And that was a scrappy one. Look, Gramgod lost his ult. The Way of Dragon is completely out.
I'd have to say it was a fantastic zone from Autobots. वो दोनों खिलाड़ी मुंह पे खड़े हो गए कि आप मारिए, कितना डैमेज मारोगे, कितना पोक करोगे. Doesn't matter. And even though Cramgod went in with the flicker, went in with the Jeet Kundo, Joseph was nowhere to be found. And it's the same problem जिसके हमने पहले भी बात करी थी Phoenix, जिसके बारे में हम pre-show के अंदर भी बात कर रहे थे. That whenever it comes down to RNTX not having the Claude in the hand with John, team थोड़ा सा disconnected खेलती है. But it's not as much as that as it is about how well Autobots is playing.
No way, man.
The coordination is looking so on point right now. The ghost signal is picture perfect. And Luck on this Khalid. इतना ज़्यादा pressure डाल के रखा है RNTX के ऊपर that they cannot do anything.
Very big. Bottom T2 might get destroyed instantly, and yes, it certainly will. The top lane is being secured by the players of Autobots. They are looking in a very solid position. So you eventually might get taken down. Phantom Steed invested by Rarin, and Toby will be taking down that mid T2 too. They will be able to secure that buff before this game started in terms of that draft phase itself. You mentioned RNTX looking solid. Eventually, I agreed to that too because they were looking pretty solid. Banned out some of those heroes, tried to tank Rarin, but now look at him looking very good. 3k lead, by the way, 11 minutes into the game.
सब चीजों के बीच में वो लियो मॉड ओपन छूट गया था वहां पे एक छोटी
man.
right and the fun fact is even I forgot about that. I thought that maybe they've taken care of Leo mod though, but instead of
Problem
Fred,
was, Skid, last time you also left Leo mod. It wasn't a big problem last time too. तब भी similar map के अंदर it wasn't a big problem, but at that time you banned Uranus out.
That is true. That was one of the ideas जो कि आप hybrid को off put करना चाह रहे थे, especially when it came down to that sandbagging, right? And this is what I really like. Instantly with the dreadnought armor के साथ he went in for the radiant armor, and now with the black eye shield, that means a good team fight के बीच में होंगे और whenever he's surrounded by more enemies, his defenses will skyrocket. And completing the dominant eyes out here as well. Picture perfect items coming in from him. And वहीं पे on the other side, yes, it's a full-fledged priority with the War Axe, Endless Battle, Fury Hammer already pick कर रखा था RN ने. That's where the burst is coming in from.
Yeah,
It
lost
seems-
the words.
It seems difficult for RNTX right now to make the bounce back. But
What about Valentina though? Do you think which is in the comfortable spot या फिर उन्हें वो मौका ही नहीं मिल रहा है to at least just burst out alongside Fogies and Job?
you need the holy at this point, I believe.
Ah, got it.
That's the thing. क्योंकि hybrid और luck बहुत ज़्यादा बीती है. Hold on, Red.
What?
He could be eventually caught up though. Black Shoes to put Jom in an uncomfortable spot. Pick us out of the harm's way right now. Rarin wants to change. Stunned up perfectly. Joseph wants to go back. Ramgod facing everything. But the placing duet out there will eventually force Witch to use those Black Shoes now in an awkward spot. That is a big making a 3 maybe. Rarin shut down by Nino. But Toby answers back. Salmon Force not enough as this Claude picks up the triple. And man, Autobots are in a prime spot to win this game.
No way. It all comes down to Joseph, but he might get taken out instantly. The inhibitor has been destroyed. Hybrid going all in once again. That's going to be an instant dive in. This is looking solid, but this could be the end for Joseph. He still survives though. But the Crystal is barely surviving. You lost all your minions.
no.
That's bad. What?
Phenomenal individual defense in a 1v4 by Joseph. Something that you do not see every day, people. This shows their will to get the hands of the Holy Grail. They are not out yet, but they are definitely down. And this Lord is now going to start like the Autobot, Video out the open. Cramgod support match जरूर है. Blazing to his backline. You go in with the blade surge to try and get the sun down. Toby finally shut down the road before taking Video out in the open. Salmon Force. Jom still tries to dash around. Rarin having his own fun time takes the opponent jungler. And with that, it's a 1-for-3 trade in favor of RNTX.
Ruby also lost his life as well as he lost Hybrid too, but once again the important factor is you still got the advantage. Luck being pepped down, Rem about to go down too, and that's gonna be Jom shutting him instantly. What a switch out! Jom. I mean, that is crazy play by the way. Lord is still there, Luck healing himself up, Phantom Steed back in the game. About to take down this, but Witch is gonna be in a bit of a problem.
But here's the thing. उन्होंने poke down काफी अच्छा किया इस time पे Luck को. Oh, there we go. Flicker into the Zaman Force as well. Raran bursted down though before he gets taken out. He secures the Lord, but the trades are there in favor. BMI into the back though. Toby cannot go for the engage. आपने Lord जरूर ले लिया Autobots, but you have lost the subsequent fight.
Luck, 32 seconds. Raran is completely out of the picture. RNTX will be able to defend this Lord quite easily. Cram God fighting that Lord in mid of this fight right now. Pretty amazing though. Sohi on the other side. Look at Joseph. Gonna be an important player because once again he is controlling the bot lane, controlling the minions too. The Lord is eventually going down to. This is very interesting by the way. Joseph eventually controlling that push, surviving and eventually saving his team. Yeah, but scared this is going to be really interesting because somehow RNTX, they matched up, they denied all the advantages and now both of the teams, they are standing on the equal ground. Obviously, advantage है Autobots के पास आपने बहुत ज़्यादा talent stored के रखे हैं. You have that in your backpack, but other than that, RNTX is still looking good.
Josh, I'm going to tell you, I will see you in those Instagram reels when people will post Joseph defending 1v4 against Autobots. और अगर वो एक pivotal point बन गया, which turns this game around on its head and ends up in an RNTX win, I think so Autobots will be kicking themselves up so bad. Because ना तो वो Joseph को pick off कर पाए, ना तो वो Crystal को ले पाए, and it kind of went in a bit of that miscom issue, right? A couple of players were hitting the Crystal, a couple of them were not. They tried to maybe push Joseph away. और उसी एक question के अंदर, उस एक hesitation के अंदर,
Joseph had to do it.
Yep.
You know, Joseph, उनके पास और कोई option ही नहीं बचा था. It was a do or die situation. And guess what? It worked. Oh, completely stacked build, by the way.
I don't really like it from Autobots. अच्छा is missing है.
Oh yeah.
और वो आपको जरूरी चाहिए कि आप इस हालत को रोक सके, especially the full build Jom, bro. Holy Crystal, Divine Glaive, Blood Wings. He completed Blood Wings a few minutes ago. I'm pretty sure उनके पास enough gold है अब उस item swap के लिए भी. He can go in for the Winter Crown plays as well, swapping it with the Immortalities. वो और time buy करेगा team के लिए.
We already got one. And this is going to be very interesting though. Once again, Cram got position reveal. Hybrid knows where the player is. Joseph also got spotted out, as well as Mirio. So now you got a lot of information to work with the Lord Dance though. What's going to be the plan of RNTX? They're not even interested.
Yeah,
also Autobots, they're controlling the river too.
Yeah, but here's the thing. RNTX want to just simply clear the far lane क्योंकि उन्हें पता है Hybrid वैसे भी minion wave clear नहीं कर पाएंगे. And once that wave pressure builds up, उसके बाद वो Lord fight में जा सकते हैं. And they can play the long game, which is what they are trying to do right now. Yes, top lane push हो रही है for Autobots, but it doesn't matter. John instead ही clear करके इस Lord fight के अंदर भी आ सकते हैं.
The main problem. Yeah. I think so. You have to take down Joseph. He is going to be a bit of a problem. Jom eventually trying to bait out the players. The Lord Dance is still active. Toby, look at his positioning. He is ready with his facing to it though. This is taking a lot of time. 19 minutes already. This is the first match, by the way, of this LAN. Cram God and Mirio completing the level 15. Still they are waiting for the first move. And Jose, आपने बात करी थी controlling the far lane. Eventually, that is helping RNTX.
Here's the thing. अब क्योंकि minions in tier 2 पे hit कर गए थे, they couldn't really do the damage on the minions off the side of Autobots. तो वो एक 4 minion वाली major wave build हो रही है, which will eventually push towards RNTX. The Autobots are still winning out that far lane game for some reason. That's the main thing. And RNTX, not right now, but a little bit down the line, maybe in the next 45 to 50 seconds, they will have to decide to send someone to deal with that. और एक ही खिलाड़ी है जो इतनी जल्दी आ जा सकता है वहाँ पे. That is going to be Joseph.
That's it. Missing out on that ult, but once again, still Joseph controlling the center lane to got a responsibility on his backpack. 50% down. The Lord Dance is still active though. Autobots looking really interested. And yeah, Jom is still, bar wo bait out kara rahe. Bar he's saying you can't take this Lord away. Joseph still trying to shut down Luck. This is going to be an important factor because now you're about to go into that fight. Luck diving in, Cramport baiting it out, but still going back. Joseph backs off too. The Lord is still present.
Just moving around the edges, bro.
Whoa!
But here's the thing, yeah, it's totally fine right now. Hybrid, वो burst out नहीं होंगे, but Cram got on the other side. It's going to be a little bit of a problem for him. Out on the other side now, as this dance continues, Shimansh, yes, I know that you really want to talk about it, but look at the bottom side. यही मैंने बोला था.
Exactly.
Wave build up करेगी. और अब Autobots के पास बहुत बड़ा हाथ है, but there we go with the fight out in the open. Hybrid gets bursted down. The re-engage with the Raging Sandstorm now. Where is the Blazing Duet? Waiting for it. Drops it out, but oh, the burst, Toby! Retreat किया है उन्होंने. He will stay alive, but can't say the same for Raren. The trades are there. But it's a 1-for-3 and RNTX win it big time. It still continues, making a triple. Jom shows that it's not only Claude with which he can carry the game, it is also the Harith.
You're gonna survive. You're gonna survive here, Toby. Not in a good spot. Wait a minute. Toby can still try to play his mind out, but now lost it. Look at the base. The minion, the wave, it collected. Which is there to save the crystal though? Evolved Lord is right there. Now they are about to take down the inhibitor. Look at the top right now.
Oh,
Toby, you have to fight it out. This is not looking good. They are pushing the top inhibitor though. Jom destroys it, and now that opens up a way. But Autobots, they bought enough time to get back into the game. And the center lane, you got to control that too. There is a lot of pressure onto Witch.
Or yes, even though inhibitor trade करी है RNTX ने, but the problem is that it's a close range inhibitor. उसी side पे Lord है. Exactly. Autobots ने far lane destroy करी है, and that is just off of the wave pressure. Even though it was a situation which was pretty tough, you think about it. इकलौते तो भी बचे हुए थे, but it was fine. He had those items as well. He still has the immortality active. और अब वापस ही ये dance continue होगा.
Which is not there, by the way.
Exactly. Yeah. Joseph all the way towards that bottom lane. उन्हें भेजना जाना पड़ेगा to clear out that far lane. And this is the time for Autobots to pull the trigger. Rem! 1 second के अंदर गायब हो गए. Now they're all clubbed up together. This could be a big problem right now. We have the Dragon on to run, and as he gets shut down, Chop needs to run away. Blazing Duet is not enough. Toby, you've got Joseph chasing your tail right now as he tries to go back to safety, but same cannot be said for Luck. It definitely is not the good one as Toby gets caught up in the dark wave, shut down, and Chom goes in to end the base as well from top. It is going to be RNTX, ladies and gentlemen, to win game number 1.
What a game it was, by the way. Down to the wire. Autobots eventually they had a chance to